There is no future, there's no past. We bring ourselves into this moment. We're here to experience love. Love of nature, love of people.
We're so incredibly blessed, actually, to be on these extraordinary lands.
We're calling in for you all to be active participants in a conscious community, an awakened community, as people who want to learn and enjoy festivaling, but with a kind of awakened consciousness.
I am in the living, I am in the dying too. I am in the stillness. Do you see me as I move? In the moment of blind madness when he's pushing her away, I am in the lover and in the ear who hears her say, can we begin again? Oh baby, begin again.